Fáilte chuig Changemakers, sa íseán seo bé muid dul trí sprucan na damhanda na náisiún aontaithe. Tháinig na sprucan na damhanda na náisiún aontaithe isteach sa bhliain 2015, tá 17 sprucanna ann, agus má cairríonn muid le chéile ionas go bhfuinne muid na sprucan na damhanda seo amach, is féidir an damhanda bheith níos fearr de gach aine gach áit. Inis tá muid go bualadh leis na Athraitheoirí óga. Denan dar roinnt sppraga ó thaobh na sprucan na damhanda a bhaint amach leis na daoine óga.
I started my Changemaker journey when I was in primary school. The first thing I did when I learned about global issues was I started talking about them with my friends, with my teachers in school, and with my family at home. And then that meant that when I was older, I was able to start volunteering around them issues with people that were also interested in them. The UN global goal that means the most to me is goal number 4, quality education. It means so much because it's a way that we can tackle a lot of the global goals all at once. When people are more educated, they might be able to move out of poverty, they might be able to gain decent employment, and they'll also be more knowledgeable and be able to tackle climate change.
Tá Valerie mar ceannas na Ambassadóirí óga na náisiún aontaithe.
My name is Valerie Mollet. For the past year, I have been privileged to represent the voices of young people in Ireland at the United Nations. What that means is I've been attending meetings in New York, Geneva, and even here at home, making sure that politicians, policymakers know what young people want and how young people see the world to be. You may be now asking yourself, how does a young person get to talk to world leaders and why? Well, my story started when I was very young. I knew that the way the world saw me, just because I was black and because I was a girl, that I wasn't seen as the same as everybody else. Even though I knew that I was just as intelligent as a boy, and I knew that my skin color did not determine anything about me as such. So I wanted to make a change. I wanted a world where everyone could be who they want to be and that they weren't discriminated against. I started living the world that I wanted to see. So at the playground, I made sure that I was nice to everyone, that I didn't leave anybody out, that I didn't pick and choose who would be my friend, or when I saw someone else bullying another person, I didn't just stand by and laugh, but I said, stop, this is unfair, this is not good. So I embodied the life and the society that I wanted to see. I like the 17 global goals because they give us an idea of what a better world that we can all live in if we all work together for each other and for future generations.
Denan Flossie roinnt obair an trá ó thaobh carú le athrú aráide agus go mbeadh saol faoin uisce níos fearr le chodaí ann.
The global goals that are most important to me is life below the water and climate action. I was 10, about to go into 5th class, when I started beach cleaning. I got people to come by putting the word out on social media, and from there I've been beach cleaning almost every week with people, and I've been taking part in climate activities. During beach cleans, I normally find the maddest things. On every beach clean, you find a pair of men's pants, and you always find plastic bottles and cans. The Changemakers program is absolutely incredible. They try to get you to take part in different activities, and they also try to get you involved with small activities which will help solve a different problem. Whenever I finish a beach clean, I always can leave happy knowing that I've just finished and cleaned a whole beach, which is always lovely to see at the end, especially if it was really dirty. And it's nice to know by picking up one piece of plastic, I could have saved a fish, or who knows, even a seal. If you want to get involved in anything, just find what you're passionate about, whether it is just the land, our future, or the sea. Just find something to do with that and base your action around that.
Tá Sano ina chodaí sa bhalámh, agus cairríonn si ó thaobh comhionanais na inscne aáil, agus cairríonn si le daoine óga ina phobal féin chomá.
My name is Sano Evelyn, and I'm here to share with you that I care about the UN Global Goals. They remind me that each one of us has an impact on the world. Through our choices and our decisions and actions, we can affect the people around us, whether it's at home, in our schools, or in our communities. Each one of the UN Global Goals is incredibly important, and I choose to focus on gender equality. I believe that whether you were born a girl or a boy, you should live your life free from fear. And I felt that things could do better, and I knew that I could do more. And that's exactly what I did. I started asking questions. And I started reading and doing my research to educate myself about gender equality and to understand the problems that people are facing. I also had the chance to learn more about myself, that I am brave, that I am courageous, and that I am strong. And that when I put my mind and my energy towards something, that I can do it, even if it's hard. And especially when it got hard, what made it easier for me to keep going was knowing that I was helping somebody to live in less fear.
Inis tá sé suas Steve, is féidir libse difriocht mór a dhéanamh ó thaobh gníomhaíocht agus cothairmíocht an de gacéine sa domhan. Is féidir leis a bheith chó simplí ó thaobh foghlaim faoin na sprochanna seo, leart le daoine eile faoin na sprochanna seo, nó fiú spruch nó aimhíle a fiocha amach ó thaobh thabhairt pearsanta duit féin. Agus is féidir leatsa níos mó a eolais faoi bheith i d'arthóir óga ar orsíomh idirlín nó ar man hóisialta.